As the sun rises over the groves, the annual olive harvest begins, blending tradition with the promise of a new day's yield. We need to finish this section before the sun gets too high.
I know. The nets are almost ready over here. The blacks are ready, but the greens need more time.
Yes, another week should do it.
These blacks are ready, but the greens could use another week.
Agreed. We should start picking the darker trees on Monday.
Harvesters collect thousands of olives every minute.
Careful with that bin, it's heavy. Bring the next one over here. Make sure the water jets are clear. We have a heavy load coming in. All right, I checked them 5 minutes ago, boss.
The refractometer reading on this batch is slightly low. Agreed. I'll log it as borderline ripeness. We should increase sampling frequency.
The microscopic analysis confirms consistent maturation across the sample.
Good. The color grading on these greens looks promising as well.
Mixing helps tiny oil droplets combine. Mixing helps tiny oil droplets combine.
Temperature holding steady at 25 Celsius. Optimal conditions confirmed across the line.
The oleic acid levels are exactly where we want them. Yes, the spectrophotometry data looks clean across the board.
Look at the projected yield for the Koroneiki olives. It's exceeding expectations. The new press activation sequence is holding stable.
Consumers can now purchase the finished product. Gustavo, stop putting the bottles like that.
Here you go, sweetie. Try the salad.
Oh, let's add some more of this wonderful olive oil.
It smells amazing. To a perfect evening. Cheers.
To the best view in the world.
And the best company. Cheers, everyone.
Around the clock, this factory never sleeps, shipping the finest olive oil across the globe.